On top inside Edo today, and on top the katakata wey dey shele for Edo State House of Assembly, 97-man committee, 97-man Senate committee don take waka come Edo State, take come visit Obaseki so that dem go fit begin investigation. Senate ad hoc committee wey dey investigate the issue wey dey shele on top the inauguration of Edo State House of Assembly don waka come Edo State with the chairman of the committee, Senator Aliyu Sabi Abdullahi, so that dem go fit visit Governor Obaseki and the committee go fit begin work. Chairman and members of the committee waka come by themselves so that dem go fit do wetin oyibo dey call thorough investigation. Senator Abdullahi talk say na the leadership of Senate na send dem come make dem for fit solve this wahala, as e be say Nigerian constitution permit dem to throway body put on top any state house of assembly so that law and order go dey. Abdullahi talk say dem believe say Edo State na ogbonge state wey dey do well on top parliament matter, and say dem go visit Oba of Benin and members of Edo State House of Assembly. Him still talk say dem waka come so that dem go get fact, present dis facts dem give the 109 senators, make justice for shele on top Edo State House of Assembly inauguration issue, and make e for benefit Edo people. Governor Godwin Obaseki come thank the committee where dem take find time come Edo State to come sabi how the matter take waka on top Edo State House of Assembly katakata wey oyibo dey call first-hand information. Obaseki talk say for 2.5 years, him administration dey pursue peace and order so that Edo State no go get political katakata. Obaseki talk say this kind matter dey pain well for body, as e be say dem no see say this kind thing go play for Edo State. But say dem happy as this committee waka come to come get facts. Him talk say if the leadership of him party wey be APC do this one, dem for not dey where dem dey so. Governor talk say constitution clear well on top the issues for Edo State House of Assembly, as him don already issue proclamation letter, and this one mean say him don do him own part. We can see governor talk say e be sabi say dem dey press button for some people body on top this matter, but him sabi for him mind say this committee go do better check for the matter, make democracy for play for the state and for the country. And so we see this ogbonge updates reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say 7-man Senate committee don waka come Edo State to come begin investigation on top Edo State House of Assembly katakata. Make una not forget say this ogbonge updates na T Live Media na im dey carry am dey come give una. And to dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una subscribe to our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV. Make una comment and like all our videos. Make una still follow us for Facebook on top T Live Media.